Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to edit dimensions. So we have this example sketch, and if you want to edit dimension, you can go to edit menu, click on default settings, and then double click on the dimension. Will be show for the self dimension default dialog box, and it will be set into 150 as default. You can double click. Now we can move into the dimension default option. So in here you can set like show for the plus icons, or you can show for the another default number. Another option, you can go into the primary format. So this is in the millimeter units. You can show by checking at this column for the units indicator, and you can change in it like into centimeters, or default to be set into millimeter. If you want to hide the unit indicator, you can uncheck again at this column. The next, for the secondary format, you can active by clicking at this point. And for the extensions, layers to be set default into dimension plan. And for arrows, you can change the style in it for arrows. Okay, there are a lot of options to use in the Shift Architect. And for text style, you can change by using the use custom text style. You can change for the font, set for strike out, underlines or bold. Or for text height, you can change at this point, like 150. It will be more bigger for the text height. This is for transparency, or another option. If you want to change the text color, you can click at these points to change the text color. If you don't, click OK, and it will be automatically set into your dimension. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to edit dimensions. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.